Hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Design Studio. I hope you guys are following my previous videos and liking them. Thank you so much for subscribing, and those who haven't subscribed, please do it now and don't forget to click the bell icon. So today's video is all about recreating a Pinterest inspired vanity table, and that too within a decent budget. As we all know, getting ready, getting dressed up is a part of everybody's daily routine. Makeup has a very soft corner in every girl's heart. We genuinely do have lots of makeup, like lots and lots of makeup. It's our guilty pleasure, we never have enough of it. But storing all of this prized possession is a whole another problem. Every girl out there will understand how difficult it is to keep our makeup organized. But many of us face a lot of problems while getting ready. Either we don't have a well-lit space or we don't have a good size mirror. But for all of these problems, a vanity is probably the solution. Most of us dream of having a cute little dressing unit to get ready and to store makeup and spend leisurely hours getting ready. Isn't it interesting to have a dedicated space to pamper yourself? I have designed 3 modern looking vanities. They are glamorous, fairy tale-ish, grand and straight from your dreams. Super bright, pink and gold. Let's go and see each design in detail. Okay, so let's begin with the first design. This vanity is super wide and bright. Such vanities are quite trendy as white surfaces do reflect a lot of light and white countertops highlights the products kept on it. This particular table is 3.5 feet wide. I know it seems a bit compact, but it has enough seating space and even there's enough storage available, as there are 2 sets of 6 drawers on both sides. If you wanna have some extra storage, you can always have such tall units along the table. Here I have used 2 of them. You can also have a glass top counter as per your choice, but it will obviously increase your budget by 1k or 1.5k according to the current rates of toughened glass. As you can see above the table, there's a huge mirror which is complementing the table, and it is also reflecting the room and making it look larger. Talking about the main element, that is the lights which are fixed on the mirror. You can get these lights from Amazon or you can even get it from market. These lights come up with an adapter and a plug. So basically you need a switchboard nearby your table. And if you don't have any switchboard nearby, you can also find battery operated lights in the market. Coming to the base material and the finishing material, I have used ply which is finished with high gloss white laminate. You can also go for MDF as the base material. As you can see, everything here is super white and monochromatic. So just to add a bit of character and unity, I chose frames and pots such that they are matching to the upholstery of the stool. Let me tell you, these minor details do make an elegant statement. Along with it, I love adding a slight touch of fresh greens and fresh flowers. It's the most undemanding way of adding a refreshing touch to a space. They look delightfully indulgent and lift the space from dull to dynamic. Likewise, you can also inject a little personal touch to your vanity. It will definitely uplift your mood. You can add few paintings, doodles, and your art. Let your signature style translate seamlessly into your vanity area. Or you can also use trays and containers to store everyday used perfumes, lotions and cosmetics. Okay, now let's move to the second design. As you can see, even this design is quite monochromatic, but few tints of gold splashed here and there is making the design stand out. The overall design of this vanity is quite similar to the first one, except for the size. This table is like 4 feet wide and thus making it a bit more comfortable. So now there's more counter space as well as seating space. So now moving to the third design. This is quite a lovely space to have. As you can see, here I have used pink upholstery, pink decor to complement the pretty white table. Isn't that looking lovely? Along with it, this design is the most comfortable as the table is 4.5 feet in width, which allows a larger sitting space and counter space too. If you are one having tons of products and accessories and you need a larger vanity, I suggest you can have a table which is 4.5 feet wide. So there are two options of getting this project done. Either you can get it made from any carpenter, or you can simply go to the market and buy the unit separately and then get it assembled on the site. But buying ready-made will definitely cost you an extra bit. Okay, now let's talk about the budget and the cost of this project. As you guys know, all the three tables differ in the sizes. So as per current rates, the estimate of the first white vanity, which is 3.5 feet wide, comes around 7,000 INR. The other are wider in size and so they'll have an increased estimate which will go up to like 10 or 12k. So getting your design made from any carpenter is always cheaper than buying ready-made stuff, and also you can customize your design according to your preferences. But if you want to avoid the hassle of appointing a carpenter and getting things done from him, you can simply go to the market and buy ready-made stuff according to your choice. I hope these ideas will surely inspire your space. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till next video. Till then, keep dreaming, keep designing. Toodles!